Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle True SS car. This is a matching numbers car, guys, so we know that it is a real super sport. Great car, factory red on red. This is the original color combination. Again, matching numbers, 396, 350 horse. It has the matching numbers transmission, and it also has the original 12-bolt rear end in it. Killer car. As you can kind of see as we go around, the one thing the guy did is he put a little bit wider stripes on it than what it would have came with from the factory. So it's got a little bit of a custom stripe to it, but nice car, man. Runs and drives excellent. I wouldn't be afraid to get in this car and turn the key and go anywhere. This thing hits the road great. It's got the functional operable cowl hood on it. Again, 4-speed manual transmission. Previous owner had the car, I believe it was since 1999. Car was actually restored in the mid-2000s, so yes, there's, you know, some little things that you can kind of nitpick at on it, but nice. Again, you can see a few little touch-up marks. Car's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights in it. The chrome and stainless is nice. Again, not perfect, but nice. Sorry if I'm a little slow, man. I'm still dealing with this back issue. Got the hood pins. Again, the functional cowl hood. Factory red on red. And this is the car, man. This is the one everybody wants. The 70s, they're the big dog, man. This one's everybody's chasing. Car's out of Kentucky. A lot of documentation on the restoration. Car's clean underneath. I know they put new quarters on the, well, yeah, they put new quarters on both sides. I did see that. I believe the floors are original. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the correct SS rally wheels. Good looking car. These 70s are, though, man. They're just tough. But like I said, the one thing I can tell you about this car, guys, it hits the road just outstanding. Again, matching numbers, 396, 350 horse engine, factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the functional cowl hood, and it does work. Does have the matching numbers, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Cool car, very cool car. Fun car to bang the gears on, I'll tell you that. look good. Let's see, these are original door handles. Definitely replace the door rubbers. Bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. Bucket seats, console. I've ordered, it's got the black Chevelle mats in there. I hate those. I've ordered the red carpeted ones. Again, buckets, console. It's got the Hurst shifter, factory SS steering wheel. Headliner looks good. Showing 43,655. I'm sure that's 143. I don't know the miles since the car was restored. Factory tach gauges. You can see the clock works. AM FM radio. The radio does work. The blower motor works. I didn't think it was blowing on high though. Slow and medium it did blow, but I don't think it was working on high. Factory jack with spares back here. Again, all the paperwork, owner's manuals, again, a lot of documentation on the restoration. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk. And factory code 75, Cranberry red car. 12 bolt 331 rear end. Of course, it's got the F41 rear suspension with the box trailing arms and the rear sway bar. Flowmaster duals. Good looking car. Seats are nice. They've definitely been repatted and refoamed. The reason an older man had this car, the reason he sold it, guys, he said the last couple of years it's just kind of been sitting. Said he really hadn't put many miles on it. So I don't think there's a ton of miles on this car since it's been restored, but I really can't tell you the exact miles. Car runs and drives excellent, guys. You go ahead and shut that, yeah. Yeah, you see the flapper hood does work. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are functional. Oil pressure's down there, holding good oil pressure. It does, the parking brake does work. It is going to need a little bit of adjustment. I do know that. It's grabbing, but it's not holding super, super tight. I'm going to have Steve look at that and see if we can get it adjusted. Sounds great. Radio works. Yep, like I say, the blower motor does work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we get a new post a new video. That is a good looking Chevelle right there.